Ready to transform boring text into something spectacular? Let's dive right into Photoshop and create some awesome text effects. First, you'll want to create a new document. Customize the dimensions and background color to your liking. Then, grab the Type tool from the toolbar, which looks like a T. Click on your canvas and type in the text you desire. Now, the fun begins. Select your text in the character panel at the right. Choose a font. Try different fonts to see which one fits your aesthetic. Experiment with the font size, adjusting it to make the text prominent. Let's spice things up with some styles. At the bottom of your layers panel, click the FX button. This is where the magic happens. A drop-down menu appears with various layer effects. Start with a drop shadow. Adjust the settings to a depth to your text. Play with the distance, spread, and size of the shadow. Next, let's add a bevel and emboss effect from the same FX menu. This effect can make your text look 3D or metallic. Change the style and depth to see how it looks. Experiment with contour to refine the appearance, and if you want to make it sparkle, choose a texture. If you want to change the color of your text, you can add a color overlay effect. Choose a color you like and adjust the blending mode. Once done, click OK. Boom, you now have some cool custom text. Photoshop opens doors to incredible text effects. Keep exploring. With practice, your designs will be epic. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.